Here is a community that I love that's growing fast. Broussard is located, of course, right here in Louisiana. It's extremely rare for a town to hold on to that southern charm while it's expanding, but over the years, Broussard has done exactly that. New businesses, new neighborhoods, new opportunities for both longtime locals and new residents looking to put down roots. Now, if you're thinking about buying a home in Broussard, you're probably seeing all this growth and wondering what's really going on in the market right now. In today's video, we're breaking that down. We'll talk about what makes Broussard such a great place to live, the latest real estate numbers, and what kind of homes that you can actually find across different price points. If you haven't met me yet, I'm Drake Abshire with the Solux Group, your local Acadiana real estate expert. I help people make smart moves, whether it's your first home, your forever home, or somewhere in between. All right, let's take a quick snapshot of what's happening right now in the Broussard real estate market. The Broussard-Hasley market is what I would call somewhat competitive. Not crazy, not slow, but it's active. The biggest headline: prices are still rising. As of August 2025, the median sales price in Broussard is around $320,000, which is up 12.2% from last year. That's a big jump, and it shows buyers are still confident in this area. The average home value sits around $278,800, down just a hair, less than 0.5% from last year. That's nothing to worry about. It just means that we've had more variety in the listings lately, some starter homes, some new builds, and even some fixer-uppers, pulling the average down slightly. Now here's the exciting part. Homes are selling faster. Last year, the average home sat for about 76 days. This year, it's 51 days. And most are closing around 3% below list value, which is actually a solid deal for both sides. So the big picture, well, prices are climbing, homes are moving quicker, and competition is healthy but not overwhelming. If you're thinking of selling, that's a great sign. If you're buying, it just means you'll want to be ready when the right one pops up. Now let's talk about what makes Broussard different from other spots around Lafayette. First off, the environment. Broussard does have a minor flood risk, and 1 in 4 properties could face some level of flooding over the next 30 years. That doesn't mean don't buy. It means just do your homework. Get those elevation certificates, understand your flood zone, and make sure you've got the right insurance lined up. Wildfire risk, pretty low here. About 6% of properties have any concern at all. Then there's the local economy, which is a big reason why people are moving here. Broussard used to be known mainly for oil and gas. Now it's a diverse mixture of industries: manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and even some tech startups are coming in. That mix is what's keeping our market steady even when national housing trends cool off. The median household income is around $66,000, and the average commute is just 24 minutes. So you get that peaceful suburban feel without giving up proximity to Lafayette. What all that means is simple. Broussard isn't a boom and bust kind of market. It's stable, it's growing, and it's attracting folks who want a balanced, modern living with that small town Louisiana charm. Let's talk about what your budget actually gets you here. If you're a first-time homebuyer, you can find some great homes in the $200,000 to $275,000 range. Most homes are around 1,400 to 1,800 square feet, single-story, open floor plans, great neighborhoods like Southfield, Magnolia Ridge, or the Village at Broussard. You're getting solid construction, good schools, and newer builds that don't break the bank. Now, the sweet spot for most buyers sits around $300,000 to $450,000. These homes average around 2,000 to 2,800 square feet, often in communities like Bayard Tartu Manor or Cypress Meadows. Think larger lots, granite countertops, outdoor patios, homes with real breathing room. At the higher end, Broussard's got some serious properties. We're talking custom builds running up to $1.7 million and beyond, often on golf courses or lakes, with features like outdoor kitchens, bonus suites, and spa-style master baths. Overall, the average home price is around $459,000 with an average size of 2,339 square feet. And if you're renting right now, here's something to think about. The average rent in Broussard is $1,603 a month. So depending on your down payment and rate, buying may actually make more financial sense long term. A few frequently asked questions I hear all the time are, what are the property taxes like? Usually between 1 to 1.2% of your home's value each year. How old are most homes? Well, the majority were built after the year 2000. Is Broussard good for young professionals? Absolutely. You're close to work, restaurants, nightlife in Lafayette, but you get more home for your money. So here's the bottom line. Broussard is a place that's growing without losing its roots. The homes are beautiful, the people are friendly, and the value is strong. Whether you're buying your first home or looking for something with a little more space, there's truly something here for everyone. But remember, every part of Broussard moves a little differently. Some areas are appreciating faster. Some are in lower risk zones. Some just have that it factor. That's why having a local agent matters. Someone who knows where to look and when to make your move. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Broussard, let's talk. Reach out today and I can help you figure out the best strategy for your situation. And make sure to subscribe, because the next time I'm breaking down the biggest financial mistake buyers and sellers make in the Lafayette market and how to avoid it. You do not want to miss that one.